this morning. We packed up our car with our camping gear and we definitely forgot some things, but we will find that out later.
Fish Creek Campground at Saranac Lake.
Yes, in the Adirondacks. Alright. We are finally here. We are setting up. We are unloading my little Ford Fusion.
Don't get how she stands.
You checking it out? It's your first camping trip. We have a easy setup tent, so we're gonna see how easy it actually is. Is there the stakes in there? It's so buggy.
Yo, this is crazy.
There's instructions on the thing.
This is crazy. I got it.
We were having quite a hard time because it is like crazy buggy. So we got some supplies to try and deter that. Prim, how do you feel about the bugs? Do you just want to eat them all? This is the map here.
Destroy the sandcastle quick. Whoa.
Oh, cold!
Just hold it in the other place?
A little bit.
A little bit deeper. Oh, is that nice?
Does that feel good?
She's like swim walking.
Good girl!
Good girl!
Yeah!
Oh, look at you go!
Good girl! Okay.
Come back. Good girl.
Come on!
Good girl. Come back this way.
This way. Come here!
Good girl!
Yeah.
Good job. So cute.
That was a big
She's
swim.
got right there. She loves it. Good girl! Yay! Oh, going back? Oh, she's trying to
Bug.
One more. Oh, let's go. Here we go. Here we go.
Okay, girl.
Oh. Oh.
Yeah, right. Oh. Hot dog hanging out. Cheers. Good morning. We woke up in our tent at around 6:45.
6:30.
Our view, pretty nice. We want to hit up some swimming before then, maybe get some fishing done. All right, we're back to our swimming spot with Prim. We'll check out this little area while we wait for Cole. Whoa, so pretty. You could totally swim here.
Oh, there she goes.
Good girl.
If she wants to come out, you can
let her go. Here, puppy.
Come on. Good girl. Come here. Whoa, don't hit me.
I'm not gonna hit you. We go to lily pads. I wish I could see a frog on one. Your kayak treating you.
Move your paddle.
Happy birthday.
Nyong.
Yeah, get some shots about us. There's like usually a lot. It's really I'd stay here all day. This year, that there's usually a lot of like weeds and like growth.
All right, I'm turning around. I don't feel unsafe in this at all.
There's one in Utica.
Really?
You could probably go on the way home.
Yeah.
Close to your house, actually. We passed your house. I think that one's laying in line.
That was fun.
We're leaving now. We had like such a good time. We think we're definitely going to be back this year. It was worth it. Worth the 3-hour drive. So